Hi guys, you're welcome to this Blum update. So guys, of recent, Blum has asked us to do a ton transaction to prove our activities on this Blum mining app. The question I'm asking myself is that the drop game we have been playing, the tasks we have been doing, following various social media platforms, are they not enough proof of activity? So guys, these are the questions we need to be asking ourselves. Are they not enough proof of activities? We have social media, we can see we have the on-chain tags. You can see there are on-chain tags, there are social tags, there are also academic tags, there are also friends section where we even invite friends. Are these not enough proof of activity? So guys, now the thing here is that I've actually chosen to do this proof of activity because I believe it's going to be of advantage, and also you're going to be getting a reward of 1000 Blum points, which is actually good. The second most important reason I'm actually doing this is because there is no quest on Blum that Blum has actually filled us. Any transaction they've asked us to do actually yield us profit, just like the Dogs coin. Now they've started the Mimify quest, which is also going to give us rewards. It's going to give us Mimify rewards, Mimify token. So guys, that's why I'm actually doing this proof of activity. So what I'm going to do now is to take you guys through the process on how you can do this proof of activity, so that you can get to know the amount of ton they actually need, if it is Telegram stars or ton. So guys, what I'll do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on start, let me get to see it. So guys, now you can see it's loading. You can see it's opening my Telegram wallet because I've connected my Telegram wallet to this Blum mining app. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. Here's the full details of the transaction for the proof of activity I want to do on Blum. You can see it is worth 0.25 tons. So 0.25 ton is going to be deducted from my Telegram wallet for this proof of activity tax. So guys, now you can see my ton balance. You can see what is going to remain of my balance after I actually do this ton transaction. So guys, what I'll do now is to tap on confirm. So let me tap on confirm right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written here. You're about to send the most of your asset. Only confirm the transaction if it is from a trusted application, of course. So let me tap on confirm. Let me go ahead now to input my password, my passcode for my wallet. This to confirm that I'm actually the owner of the wallet. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see it is now successful. You can see it there, good. So guys, now you can see now I can now claim. You can see now the claim button has popped out, so I can now tap on it to claim it. So let me do it right away. Let me claim it. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now you can see I've claimed the 1000 Blum points. So guys, now this I can be able to do the proof of activity tax on Blum. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.